Hello everyone. I just wanted to make this positioner task so that you know in general how to use positioners in the projects. For this task, we will follow these steps one by one. First, importing the positioners, and then the continuation, as you can see in the list, we will go complete. Okay, let's make the station first. Robot type is IRB 2600. Then we need the positioner, which is this one, the default values we use. Right away we can position it in the correct place. The placing is approximately so that it is in front of the robot and the center is in the center. Few millimeters here and there doesn't matter. Now we need the tool for the robot. Let's add welding tool. Attach to the robot. Now we enter this training object. This is not the best one, but this is what is ready. I didn't want to make a new one for it. Now let's make the controller from the layout. Then we have to position, wait for the controller to be ready, and then takes few seconds. Yeah, it's green now. Now we can go here and teach the home position to the robot. Yeah, this is good for the home position. This will be taught in the um, work object 0. We rename to the home. And this curve thing, we can position it so that it is in the correct angle. And then we will attach it to the positioner. Put it in a way that is the surface of this will be in the center of the positioner axis. Approximately, it doesn't matter that much. And that's good. And then attach it to this flange of the positioner. You can see that this one, we are going to attach it to here. So anytime that is turning, or workpiece also turns, don't need to. So this is our system ready. Let's test the attachment. We turn the position of the positioner, and the workpiece also is turning it. Let's put it in the 30. You can type in here. Next step will be to make the auto pass. Oh, sorry, work object would be, we need to make the work object first, yes. Because we want a work object that is turning together with the positioner. So we will make that first. And you see, in the beginning, I just made it. It is in the on the base of the robot right now, but I will attach it and update its position to the positioner. Mhm. Well done. Yes. If you press OK, you can see the work object move to here. And we will teach our paths on this work object. Home position was on work object 0, or paths that we will use auto paths to make it. It's gonna be on the work object that we just made. Here, as we have previously done, you use the type of the movement and then select the edges. Yes, this one also linear. And here, the approach and the part also, when you have a welding task, you can automatically port here. Approach, I put 30 millimeter, the part also 30. These are the tolerance that you can determine. And the next thing is reference surface that I want for the pass. It is here, and select this surface of the workpiece and create. Our pass is ready. Now we need to, like always, you see there's problems here because robot that cannot reach to them. So we have to solve those first. Let's check the orientation of the tool in these points. Now we can see that they are not suitable, so let's turn it in a way that the robot would be comfortable reaching to it, and the angle of the welding gun would be suitable for the type of the weld that we want to do. When this is ready, yeah, this is our first target, and the tool, like we can copy the alignment of align the rest of the targets with this target 10. So let's make that. You can see the tool has different orientation in all of the targets, different targets. Now we want to like align all of the upper edge with the target 10. Right click, modify target, align target, and here you should give what reference and apply. So all of the targets are aligned with the target 1. Target 20, 120, 130 is bad, 140 is bad, 50 is also bad. So we need to align them with 120. Let's adjust this one. And then we can align all of those with the 120. These are not solved. Okay, seems these are not updated. Yeah, these are not updated for some reason. I have to do it again. Modify target, align, and the reference was 120. Apply should resolve all of those issues. Okay, 2 points are still with the problem. Let's do this 120 and 130, a little adjustments. 120, turn it up a little, so yeah, 130 is left. The target needs to be updated. Okay, now I would edit instruction, because here, like always, the first movement to the passes with the joint movement. Now we need to insert an action movement, that is arc unit, act unit with arc. And then which unit we wanna, you can select all of these other types, but here we might have different units. You can, from the menu, right now it's only STM1. We select that, this should be under that. Drag this to lower. Oh. Now we need to make our main. The main is missing. Create as main. Now we drag home position to the main and our path to the main, and again we open here, we see move L home, another home need to be here, so home position, path, then home. Joint. Now synchronize to rapid. Yeah, this is the basic that's working. We see that there's no problem in the movements. Now we go to the rapid and adjust the parameters. As you can see, this is the 30 degrees, the angle that we gave to our positioner. If the positioner had more movements, we could give here like more axes. These are extra axes that are coming because of the positioner. Let's delete this part. It's just comment. This is our path. We can modify all of the speeds at one. I'm pressing Control D one by one, and all of them are selected. Now I can modify all of them at once. V200 will be okay. Let's modify the Z's also. Control D one by one, and select one all. Now Z1 is okay for. They can be better modified, but I just want to be showing quickly, because you can have different speeds for different parts. Apply, synchronize to station. Then let's go to here and let's see how it goes. You can see all of the edges are sharp. The robot is following the lines precisely. Now, what if we want to change the angle of the positioner during the process, during the program? We don't want it to be only 30. We want it to be like some lines 20, some lines 30. This is also possible to do that. Soon we will see. As you can see how it works. Now, for example, 10 to 70, 80. I'll give different angle to like some part of the path, and the other part I'll let it be just 30 that it was. Modify external axis. As you can see, it can give here 20. Apply. So this value of the angle of the positioner comes together with the data of every rope target. Now here we can add the wait time also, maybe 1 second. I have not used it before, so these are many other tools you can try. I have not used them, so maybe it gives me end of list. Maybe I can modify it to the later. Edit instruction. You can see different kinds of like waiting for some register, waiting for some wait max. Let's delete it. I can add it in the rapid. It should be after 110. Let's go to the rapid. Synchronize to rapid first, and then in the rapid I can modify that. You can see this 20 millimeters that we entered for these targets have been added here, and the other ones that we haven't added are 30. Control Z. Here I want to add the wait time after this one. 1 second. Station. Seems the program is ready. Let's watch the simulation and pay attention how it will be turning. First it goes to the 30. Here it turns to, it was 20 first, now it turned to 30 and completes the. We can see from other view also. Approach point, then different angle, and departing point, and then home.